Imagine holding a device in your hands that costs nearly $800, watching your favorite AAA PC game boot up on a screen right in front of your face, and slowly realizing that the hardware you are holding might be hiding a massive, irreversible flaw that could completely destroy your entire digital gaming library. For the last few years, the portable gaming world has been locked in a brutal, unforgiving hardware war. Ever since Valve shook the foundations of the industry with the Steam Deck, every major tech titan has been frantically trying to capture the ultimate crown of handheld PC gaming. We saw a massive wave of devices hit the market, packed with power, screaming with bright neon RGB lighting, and promising us that we could finally take our entire desktop gaming experience anywhere in the world. But early adopters quickly ran into a wall of harsh realities. Terrible battery life that died in under an hour, Windows software optimization that felt like trying to navigate a desktop computer using a joystick, and catastrophic hardware failures like melted SD card slots that left players incredibly frustrated. Asus threw themselves into that first-generation chaos with the original ROG Ally. It was a beautiful, incredibly powerful machine, but it was heavily scarred by those exact early-generation design disasters. Now, after years of intense feedback, engineering secrets, and quiet redesigns, Asus has unleashed the highly anticipated Asus ROG Ally 2. They didn't just iterate on a successful design framework, they completely overhauled the physics of handheld performance. What they have built inside this chassis is a breathtaking display of engineering muscle. But it also lays a highly calculated psychological trap that could change how you buy and play games forever. If you are a hardcore PC gamer, a console player looking to finally step into the portable arena, or someone who is standing on the absolute precipice of clicking buy on a handheld console, you need to freeze exactly where you are. Do not browse the retail store pages, do not look at trade-in values of your old gear, and do not make a single financial decision until you listen to every single word of this breakdown. Because the portable PC landscape has just been permanently revolutionized. We are going to expose the absolute unvarnished truth about the Asus ROG Ally 2. The massive processing breakthroughs Asus wants you to obsess over. The hidden thermal locks they buried deep in the system architecture, and the precise design shifts that make this the most seductive, yet potentially alarming tech purchase of the decade. Let's start with the immediate physical sensation, the exact millisecond you pull this device out of its packaging and wrap your hands around the grips. The original ROG Ally felt sleek, but it had a distinctly angular, aggressive plastic finish that could become sharp and fatiguing during intense multi-hour gaming sessions. With the Ally 2, Asus completely threw out the old outer shell blueprints. They completely resculpted the ergonomic geometry of the hand grips, deepening the palm contours and utilizing an advanced, soft-touch matte composite material that actively channels palm sweat away from the control surfaces. When you hold it, the center of gravity has been completely repositioned. Asus managed to distribute the weight evenly across the entire frame, meaning it doesn't feel like a top-heavy brick pulling down on your wrists anymore. The analog sticks have been upgraded to utilize premium Hall effect sensors. Traditional analog sticks rely on physical resistive contacts that wear down over time,